We're so happy you're here!
Let's have some fun and learn together.
Ready? Let's go!
Well, look at this. We neglected the garden. We went on our road trip and nature took over. It is a jungle out here. I cannot even see the ground. It is just a sea of green.
It is not good green, Ben. It is weeds. Those are the bad plants that we didn't plant. They grow so fast. Look at this one. It is a dandelion. It has a yellow flower. It looks pretty, but it steals water from the other plants.
We have work to do. Before we can plant anything delicious, we have to clean up. We need protection. Put on your gloves. My gloves are leather. They are thick. They protect my hands from thorns and bugs.
My gloves are rubber. They are blue. Okay, I am ready. Let's attack the weeds. Grab that big one, Ben. Grab it near the bottom, near the roots.
Ugh, it is stuck. The roots are deep. I have to pull harder. 1, 2, 3. Yank! Rip! Okay, it came out. Look at the roots. They are long and white. They look like spaghetti.
Throw it in the wheelbarrow. That is the metal cart with one wheel. We will take all the weeds to the compost pile later. Be careful of that plant, Ben. That is a thorn bush. It is sharp. Ouch! See? I told you.
It poked me right through the glove. Okay, I'm using a tool for this one. Hand me the trowel. It is a small hand shovel. I'm digging under the weed. Scrape, scrape. Okay, the dirt is loose. Now I can pull it out easily.
We are making progress. Look, I can see the brown dirt again. We have cleared a space. It is a garden bed again. It is rectangular. The wood borders are rotting a little bit, but they are still strong.
Phew, I'm sweating already. Gardening is a workout. My back is a little sore, but it smells good. It smells like crushed leaves and fresh dirt. Are we ready to dig?
Not yet. The soil looks hard. It looks like a brick. We need to wake it up. We need the big shovel.
Okay, the weeds are gone. We can see the ground now. But look at the dirt, Anna. It looks terrible. It is light brown and dry. It is packed tight. It looks like a cement parking lot. If we plant seeds here, they will die. The roots cannot push through this hard rock.
You are right. It is too hard. We need to loosen the soil. We need to wake it up. You need the big tool, Ben. Grab the shovel. It has a long wooden handle and a sharp metal point. This is going to be a workout. Be careful with your back. Bend your knees.
Okay, here goes nothing. I am placing the tip of the shovel on the dirt. I am stepping on the metal edge with my heavy boot. I have to use my whole body weight. Grunt! I am standing on it. Crunch! Okay, it is going in. Now I lean back and lever it up. Strain and flip.
Wow, that is heavy. The dirt underneath is a little bit darker, but it is still very chunky. Keep going, Ben. You have to turn over the whole bed, row by row. Dig deep, turn it over. Dig deep, turn it over.
Huff, puff. I hit something hard. Clang! Did you hear that? Metal hitting stone. My shovel stopped. I think there is a big rock down there. I have to dig around it.
Let me help. I'm kneeling down. I'm using my gloved hands to dig. I feel it. It is a big gray stone. It is the size of a potato. Okay, wiggle it back and forth. Pull. Pop. It's out. Throw it in the bucket. We don't want rocks in our garden. Carrots cannot grow around rocks.
Okay, the rock is gone. I am continuing to dig. But look at these big blocks of dirt. They are clumps. They are hard balls of clay. We need to break them. Smash them with the back of the shovel, Ben. Whack, whack.
I will use the hand tool, the cultivator. It looks like a claw. I'm scratching the big clumps. Scritch, scratch. We want the dirt to be crumbly. It should feel like chocolate cake crumbs, soft and loose.
Wait, stop digging. Look right there, in the fresh dirt. Something is moving. It is pink and wiggly. It is an earthworm. Hello, little guy. He looks slimy.
Don't hurt him. Be very gentle. Worms are the gardener's best friends. They are the engineers of the soil. They eat the dead leaves and turn them into food for plants. They make tiny tunnels in the dirt so the water can flow down. If you have worms, you have healthy soil. Cover him up. Let him go back to work.
Okay, he is safe. Goodbye, Mr. Worm. Now the soil is loose. The rocks are gone. The clumps are broken. But the color is still light brown. It needs nutrients. Plants get hungry just like people. We need to feed the soil.
I have the food right here. This bag is heavy. It is compost, or fertilizer. It is made of old leaves, vegetable scraps, and coffee grounds. It is organic. Smell it, Ben. It smells strong. It smells very earthy.
It smells like a forest floor after the rain. Okay, pour it on. Pour. It is black and rich. It looks like black gold. Now I have to mix it in. I am using the rake. It looks like a giant fork with long metal teeth.
Drag it through the dirt. Scrape, scrape. Mix the old brown dirt with the new black compost. Make it uniform, back and forth, like you're combing hair. The color is changing. Now the whole bed looks dark and rich.
One last step. We need to make it flat. Level the ground. Use the flat side of the rake. Smooth it out. We don't want hills and valleys. If it is flat, the water will soak in evenly.
Whew! Stand up straight, Ben. Look at what we did. 10 minutes ago, this was hard, dry ground. Now it is a soft, dark, fluffy bed. It looks comfortable. If I was a seed, I would want to sleep there.
The hard work is finally done. My back is tired. My boots are muddy, but the bed is prepared. Now comes the delicate part, the magical part. Are you ready to plant the babies?
I am ready. Go get the seed packets. I want to grow something red and juicy.
Wash your hands a little bit, Anna. Just wipe them on your pants. We need clean fingers for this part. This is the delicate work. We are done with the heavy shovel. Now we need precision. Where are the packets?
I have them in my pocket. Crinkle, crinkle. They are colorful paper envelopes. Look at the pictures on the front. This one has a picture of a bright red tomato. This one has a long orange carrot. And this one is green basil. Which one goes first?
Let's start with the tomatoes. But wait, don't just open it. We have to read the instructions on the back. Every seed is different. Some like to be deep, some like to be shallow. Read the back, Anna.
Okay, I am reading the small print. It says plant 1/4 inch deep and space 12 inches apart. That means they need room to grow. If we put them too close, they will fight each other. They will fight for sunlight.
Okay, 1/4 inch deep. That is very shallow. That is just the tip of my pinky finger. I am going to make a row. I am using a stick to draw a straight line in the dirt. Drag, drag, there, a perfect straight line. This is called a furrow.
Now open the packet. Rip. Pour the seeds into your hand. Be careful. Don't sneeze. If you sneeze, they will fly away. Look how small they are, Ben. They look like grains of sand. They are yellow and flat.
It is amazing, isn't it? Inside this tiny yellow speck, there is a giant plant waiting to come out. It's like magic. Okay, I'm pinching a few seeds. I am dropping them into the furrow. Drop, drop, drop. One seed here. Move over. One seed there.
Don't put too many. You are being generous. Okay, that row is finished. Now we have to cover them. Do not pack the dirt down hard. Just sprinkle some loose soil on top, like you are putting salt on dinner. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Gently tuck them in. Good night, little seeds.
Now for the carrots. Carrot seeds are even smaller. They are like dust. We have to be very careful. Make another row, Anna. Make this one deeper.
I am drawing the line. Scrape. I am shaking the packet. Shake, shake. Oops, I poured too many. I spilled them. Now we will have 1,000 carrots in one spot. We will have to thin them later. That means we pull out the extra babies so the strong ones can grow.
That's okay. Cover them up. Pat the dirt gently. Pat, pat. Now we have a problem. The dirt all looks the same. Which row is tomatoes? Which row is carrots? I already forgot.
We need labels. We need to write it down. Hand me those wooden sticks and the black marker. Squeak, squeak. Tomato. I am sticking the label into the ground at the start of the row. Push. Now we won't be confused.
Okay, the seeds are in the ground, they are covered, they are labeled. But they are thirsty. Dry seeds do not grow. They need the magic ingredient. They need water to wake up.
Go get the watering can, Ben. Don't use the big hose. The hose is too strong. It will wash the seeds away. We need a gentle shower. Get the green can with the rose. That is the round sprinkler head.
I have the can. It is full. Here comes the rain. Trickle, trickle. Look at the dirt turn dark. The water is soaking in. Drink up, little guys.
Now we wait. We have done our job. Now nature has to do the rest. We have to be patient. It might take 1 week. It might take 2 weeks. But soon we will see green.
Wow, look at this place, Anna. Do you remember 2 months ago? It was just flat brown dirt. We planted tiny little seeds, and now look at it. It is a jungle again, but this time it is a good jungle.
It is huge. The tomato plants are taller than me. They are climbing the wooden stakes. They are wild. The leaves are dark green and fuzzy. Smell the air, Ben. Can you smell that? Tomato plants have a very special smell.
Sniff, sniff. Yes, it smells spicy. It smells green and sharp. If you touch the leaves, your hands turn yellow and sticky. That is the resin. It keeps the bugs away. But where is the fruit? I see lots of leaves, but I don't see food.
You have to look closer. The fruit likes to hide. It is shy. It hides under the big leaves to stay cool. Come over here. Look at this branch. Gently lift the leaf up.
Rustle. Oh, there it is. Look at that color. It is not green anymore. It is not orange. It is bright, deep red. It looks like a red balloon ready to pop. It is a ripe tomato.
It is perfect. It is heavy. Touch it, Ben. How does it feel? Is it hard or soft?
I am touching the skin. It is smooth. It feels warm from the sun. It is a little bit soft. If I squeeze it gently, it gives a little bit. That means it is full of juice. It is ready to be harvested. That means it is time to pick it.
Okay, do the honors. You planted it, so you get to pick it. Don't just pull it. If you pull, you might break the whole branch. You have to snap it. Find the little knuckle on the stem, hold the fruit, and twist.
I'm holding it. I'm twisting my wrist. Snap! It came off in my hand. It is heavy. It feels like a baseball. Wait, I see another one. And another one down there. There are 5 ripe ones.
We have a feast tonight, but we cannot wait until dinner. I want to taste it right now. It is warm from the sun. That is the best way to eat a tomato. Do you have your pocket knife?
I always have my knife. Click. I'm going to slice it right here in the garden. I'm cutting a thick slice. Slice. Look at the juice running down my hand. It is so messy. Here's a piece for you, Anna, and a piece for me.
Crunch, chew. Oh my goodness. Ben, this does not taste like a supermarket tomato. Supermarket tomatoes taste like water and cardboard. This tastes sweet and sour and savory. It explodes in your mouth.
It is warm and salty. I didn't even put salt on it. It is delicious. I think this is the best thing I have ever eaten because we made it. We pulled the weeds, we dug the soil, we watered the seeds, and now we're eating the result.
It was worth the hard work. My back doesn't hurt anymore. I just feel happy. We are farmers now, Ben. We grew our own dinner. Let's pick the rest of them. I'm going to make a fresh salad.
Pass me the basket. Let's fill it up. Goodbye, empty dirt. Hello, beautiful harvest. Chirp, chirp.